Hey, we are going to do some unboxing today. This is my first unboxing video, so hopefully you'll stick around for this one and the second one. I do have another video on the YouTube channel, as if you do check it out, please do. It's kind of funny. So make sure you like and subscribe. You know where the buttons are. I shouldn't have to tell you that. Anyways, as this is my first unboxing video, my name is Crasher. I go by Crasher247 on Twitch and on other platforms, but here on YouTube, it's Crash TV. So today on Crash TV, what are we going to be unboxing? Well, we are going to be unboxing a set of the Blood Angels Collection 1. I do have Collection 2, which will be in the follow-up video. So since there's 8 of them, and guaranteed all 6, I figured if this video gets me to 250 subscribers, that's right, 250, you know where to click the button. I will give away one of the duplicates. Hopefully it's the Rocket Guy. Everybody wants the Rocket Guy, so I will do a giveaway at 250 subscribers. And yeah, so let's go on over to the crafting desk, and we will continue on there. Okay. Here we are. Let's get right to it. Take plastic off. Yeah. All 8 boxes to go through. Which one should we start with first? I don't know. Let's start with this one. Well, they're all taped shut, which is nice. So the first one. Nice clean red plastic instead of the gray. And it looks like we have the guy on the box. The very guy on the box. Well, sort of. It's Brother Artino. This guy right here. Excellent, excellent. Brother Artino comes with a little card. Cool, cool, cool. We'll put him back in the box. So, Brother Artino, number 1. Let's check this box now. Number 2, what is number 2 gonna be? It's a different guy, that's good. I think it's the third one, which is, it is, I was right. Brother Marzio. Brother Marzio, okay. So far so good, no doubles yet. Let's go with this one. So we got Brother Artino and Brother Marzio. And more red plastic. Oh, and it's another new one. This guy's got the chain sword. So he's, is Brother Sergeant Raldeo. Brother Sergeant Raldeo. He looks pretty menacing with the chainsword out there, ready to chop foes in two. Or watch out, Tyranids. He's coming for you. Alright, so far we're looking good. No doubles yet. Still no Rocket Guy, though. We want the Rocket Guy. Alright, fourth box. Rocket Guy! Yeah, Rocket Man! Brother Carriel. Brother Carriel. Carriel. Don't know how to say his name, but that's okay. So hopefully we get some doubles of him. Oh, I would love to have 2 doubles of him. So I'm going to put him over to the side. Alright, fifth one. Alright. Getting down. And it's a, yeah, baby! I don't want to yell too much, but it's another Brother Carriel. First double, and it's the Rocket Guy. We are up. Okay, so now that you know that if we hit 250 subscribers because of this video, you're probably gonna want this one, right? You're gonna want this one. I guarantee you're gonna want this one. So this is the guy we're gonna give away. Wow, that is awesome! Awesome! Jeez Louise, who's next? Like and subscribe down below. Hit those buttons. Alright, what's next? What's next? Oh my gosh. We have the second double. Okay, so we got Brother Marzio as the double. Now if you want him, you can have him if we hit those 250 subscribers. But I'm pretty sure you're gonna want the Rocket Dude. So we'll put him aside because Brother Marzio is the other double. So it looks like we are going to have, who's next? No more doubles. No more doubles. Let's keep this going here. Yeah. Alright. Ooh, that's exciting. Got a double of the Rocket Guy. Alright, so this guy is like the heavy bolter. Brother Sevrail. Right on. I am stoked. Go back in the box, silly boy. Silly boy. Alright, and the final last guy, I believe, is going to be the guy with the comms. Should be. Should be no more doubles. And we're correct. So there's the comms unit, the tracker or whatever it is, and it's Brother Tuomani. Alright. I wish these guys had come with some transfer sheets. There's no transfer sheets. They are just clipped together. But obviously you're going to want to glue them together. Just double check. Yeah. So there's no transfer sheets for like the, you know, like it shows them on the all fully done up, where you see their little logos, emblems. So you have to paint those on, unless you have transfer sheets. But there we have it. So we got both. We got Brother Carriel, I believe his name is. Brother Carriel as the double. And Brother Marzio as the double. So as I said, as I said, if the video hits, causes me to get 250 subscribers, I'm gonna give this away. I'm gonna send it to you wherever you are. There will be a little giveaway for it. How it works. We'll go over that if this video hits that. Hits that goal. If we hit 1,000 views, there's a little stipulation I'm gonna do as well on this. So, yeah. Thanks for checking this out. This is my first unboxing video. Again, my name is Crasher. I go by Crasher247 on Twitch. Here on YouTube, it's Crash TV. And thanks for coming out. I'm going to go back over to the desk now.